Looking to upgrade your camping experience without breaking the bank? Check out these 50 coolest camping gadgets on Amazon, all under $20. From innovative tools to handy accessories, these affordable gadgets can make your outdoor adventures safer, more fun, and more comfortable. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting out, these budget-friendly finds are packed with surprises that will elevate your trip. Stay with us until the end. You'll discover must-have gadgets that are small in price but big on impact, making every camping trip unforgettable. Number 1. LHKNL Headlamp Flashlight. This versatile headlamp provides bright, hands-free illumination perfect for camping, hiking, or nighttime adventures. Its adjustable strap and lightweight design make it super comfortable to wear all night long. A must-have for camping enthusiasts who want reliable light without bulky equipment, you'll wish you bought this sooner. Tap the link in the description and light up your outdoor nights today. Number 2. Meeker Fire Color Changing Packets. These fun color-changing fire packets add a vibrant glow to your campfire with minimal effort. Just toss them into the fire and watch the flames dance in brilliant colors. A total game changer for creating memorable campfire moments and impressing friends and family alike. Visit the link in the description and elevate your campfire experience now. Number 3. Extra Star LED Camping Lantern. This powerful LED lantern provides bright, 360-degree illumination for your campsite, making it easier to cook, read, or relax after sunset. Its lightweight, portable design is perfect for any outdoor setup, a must-have for safety and ambiance. You'll wish you had this lantern on every camping trip. Click the link in the description and brighten your campsite today. Number 4. MyLivell Hands-Free LED Flashlight Gloves. These innovative gloves feature built-in LED lights on the fingertips, giving you precise, hands-free illumination for tasks like setting up tents or cooking. They're rechargeable and super comfy to wear, a perfect gift idea for adventurers or DIY campers who need extra light when working in tight spots. Visit the link in the description and get your hands on these game-changing gloves now. Number 5. Mallow Me S'mores Sticks for Fire Pit. These extendable sticks make roasting marshmallows and making s'mores super easy and fun. Their adjustable length keeps you at a safe distance from the flames while giving you perfect gooey treats. A total game changer for family fun and outdoor snacking. You'll wish you bought these sooner. Tap the link in the description and start making delicious s'mores today. Number 6. LaFizz Waterproof Lighter. This durable, windproof lighter is perfect for lighting fires in any weather condition. Its waterproof design ensures it works even after rain or splashes, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. A must-have for reliable fire starting, especially in unpredictable weather. You'll never be caught without a flame again. Visit the link in the description and keep your campfire burning bright now. Number 7. Tahito Camping String Lights. Add cozy ambiance with these waterproof, battery-operated string lights, perfect for decorating your campsite or tent. Their warm glow creates a relaxing atmosphere for evenings under the stars. A total game changer for camp vibes. You'll wish you decorated your site sooner. Click the link in the description and transform your camping space today. Number 8. Dr. Prepare Camping Shower. This portable shower bag heats water quickly using solar power, giving you a refreshing rinse after a long day outdoors. Its large capacity and easy setup make it a camping essential, a perfect gift for campers who value comfort and cleanliness. You'll wish you had this on every trip. Tap the link in the description and enjoy a warm shower anywhere you go. Number 9. Etic City Lantern Camping Essentials. Lights. This compact lantern offers bright, energy-efficient light to illuminate your entire campsite. Its lightweight design and long battery life mean less worry and more fun. A must-have for safe, well-lit camping nights. You'll wish you bought this sooner. Visit the link in the description and light up your outdoor adventure today. Number 10. Bogey Cooling Towels. These cooling towels keep you refreshed during hot days by providing instant cooling relief. Simply soak, wring out, and enjoy a cool, breezy feeling during your outdoor activities. A total game changer for staying cool and comfortable in the heat. You'll thank yourself for this buy. Click the link in the description and beat the heat on your next camping trip now. Number 11. Kleings Mini Toothbrushes with Paste. This bundle of mini toothbrushes with toothpaste packets is perfect for quick, on-the-go dental care at camp. Compact and easy to pack, they keep your smile fresh no matter where you are. A must-have for hygiene-conscious campers, You'll wish you had these sooner. Visit the link in the description and keep your teeth clean on every adventure today. Number 12. Owadenfa Survival Bracelets. These stylish survival bracelets contain hidden paracord and emergency tools, making them both functional and fun. They're perfect for outdoor survival or just adding a cool accessory to your gear. A perfect gift idea for adventurers or outdoor enthusiasts. You'll wish you bought these earlier. Tap the link in the description and gear up with these versatile bracelets now. Number 13. Quadish Travel Utensils with Case. This eco-friendly set includes reusable utensils stored in a compact case, perfect for camping, picnics, or travel. They're durable, lightweight, and help reduce waste. A total game changer for sustainable outdoor dining. You'll wish you had these on every trip. Click the link in the description and upgrade your camping utensils today. Number 14. JIJ Portable Neck Fan. Beat the heat with this hands-free, rechargeable neck fan that keeps you cool during outdoor activities. Its compact design and quiet operation make it perfect for camping or hiking. A must-have for staying comfortable in warm weather. You'll wish you bought this sooner. Visit the link in the description and stay cool on your outdoor adventures today. Number 15. Mont North Collapsible Wash Basin. This lightweight, foldable basin makes washing dishes or clothes easy and mess-free during camping trips. Its durable material and large capacity are ideal for outdoor use. A perfect gift for campers who want convenience and practicality. You'll thank yourself for this. Tap the link in the description and simplify your outdoor cleaning routine today. Number 16. Xibe Wood Axe. This mini axe is perfect for chopping small wood or kindling during camping, with a sturdy handle and sharp blade. It's compact enough for easy packing, but powerful enough for outdoor chores. A total game changer for fire starting and campsite tasks. You'll wish you had this axe sooner. Click the link in the description and upgrade your camping toolkit today. Number 17. 4 Monster Camping Towels. Super absorbent. These ultra-absorbent, quick-drying towels are perfect for drying off after swimming or cleaning up at camp. Their compact size makes them easy to pack and carry. A must-have for outdoor adventurers who value convenience and comfort. You'll wish you bought these earlier. Visit the link in the description and stay dry and fresh on all your trips. Number 18. Healthy Packers. Ice Packs. Reusable, flexible ice packs keep your food fresh and beverages cold in coolers. Their slim design fits easily into any container, making them perfect for camping or picnics. A total game changer for keeping your provisions cold without extra bulk. You'll thank yourself for these. Tap the link in the description and chill out with fresh food on your camping adventures. Number 19. Hot Hands Hand Warmer Value Pack. These chemical hand warmers provide cozy heat for cold camping nights or outdoor activities. Simply activate and enjoy hours of warmth. Perfect for chilly mornings and late nights. A must-have for staying warm and comfortable in cold weather. You'll wish you bought these sooner. Visit the link in the description and keep your hands toasty on your outdoor trips today. Number 20. Brights Cooler. Bytes LED Cooler Light. This waterproof LED strip lights up your cooler, making it easy to find drinks and snacks in low light. Its bright, colorful glow adds fun and convenience to your camping setup. A total game changer for late-night snacking. You'll wish you had this light on every adventure. Click the link in the description and brighten your cooler today. Number 21. Dude Wipes. Flushable wipes. These flushable wipes are perfect for quick, fresh cleanups when you're out camping or on the trail. Their convenient size and gentle formula make maintaining hygiene easy and mess-free. A must-have for outdoor adventurers who want to stay fresh and comfortable. You'll wish you had these sooner. Tap the link in the description and enjoy a cleaner, fresher camping experience today. Number 22. Pohaku Multi-Tool Hammer. This versatile multi-tool combines a hammer, screwdriver, pliers, and more in one compact device. It's perfect for fixing gear or assembling camp furniture without carrying multiple tools. A total game changer for DIY repairs outdoors. You'll wish you bought this multi-tool sooner. Visit the link in the description and streamline your camping toolkit now. Number 23. Lycare Sun Motion Activated RV Step Lights. These easy-to-install LED lights activate automatically when you approach your RV or camper steps. They provide safe, hands-free illumination at night, preventing trips and falls. A perfect safety upgrade for your RV. You'll wonder how you ever camped without them. Click the link in the description and add some light to your camping setup today. Number 24. Turret Ice Packs. These reusable ice packs keep your food and drinks cold in coolers or lunch boxes. Their flexible design molds to your cooler's shape, ensuring maximum cooling efficiency. A must-have for keeping everything fresh on hot days. You'll wish you had these for every trip. Tap the link in the description and stay cool with these handy ice packs now. Number 25. Scott Plasma Windproof Arc Lighter. This sleek, rechargeable arc lighter ignites fires easily even in windy conditions. Its plasma technology is windproof, making it perfect for camping stoves or campfires. A total game changer for hassle-free fire starting. You'll wish you had this lighter sooner. Visit the link in the description and light up your campfire effortlessly today. Number 26. BJ Collapsible Food Storage Containers. These space-saving containers are perfect for storing leftovers or prepping meals. They collapse flat when not in use, saving valuable packing space. A must-have for minimalist campers. You'll wish you bought these earlier. Click the link in the description and organize your camping food storage with ease now. Number 27. Smyrie Picnic Table Cover. This waterproof, slip-resistant table cover protects your picnic table from spills, dirt, and weather. It's easy to clean and adds a pop of color to your outdoor setup. A perfect addition for outdoor dining. You'll wish you had this cover for every picnic. Tap the link in the description and upgrade your outdoor dining area today. Number 28. Fur Deary Shoe Charm Lights. Add some fun to your camping footwear with these adorable battery-operated LED shoe charms. They light up with colorful effects, making your shoes stand out at night. A fun, quirky accessory for camping trips. You'll wish you had these to light up your steps. Visit the link in the description and make your shoes glow with these cool charms now. Number 29. Suan Picnic Basket. This classic woven picnic basket is perfect for packing snacks, drinks, and utensils for outdoor adventures. Its sturdy design and spacious interior make it ideal for a day at the park or camping. A total game changer for outdoor meals. You'll wish you had this basket on every trip. Click the link in the description and elevate your picnic game today. Number 30. Turret Cooler Insulated Travel Bag. This compact, insulated bag keeps your drinks and snacks cold for hours. Its lightweight design and shoulder strap make it easy to carry to the beach, park, or campsite. A must-have for on-the-go refreshment. You'll wish you bought this sooner. Tap the link in the description and stay refreshed wherever you go with this cooler bag. Number 31. Malomi Camping Cookware Mess Kit. This all-in-one camping cookware set includes pots, pans, utensils, and more, all in a compact bag. Perfect for cooking meals at your campsite without lugging around bulky gear. A total game changer for outdoor cooking. You'll wish you bought this set earlier. Visit the link in the description and cook up a storm on your next adventure today. Number 32. Rack Multi-Tool Pen. This innovative pen features built-in screwdrivers, bottle openers, and a ruler, making it the ultimate camping multi-tool in a compact design. It's perfect for repairs or quick fixes on the trail. A must-have for outdoor DIYers. You'll wish you had this pen on every trip. Click the link in the description and get your versatile multi-tool pen now. Number 33. Keep Joy Hanging Laundry Hamper Bag. This lightweight, collapsible laundry bag makes it easy to store and transport dirty clothes during camping trips. Its breathable fabric keeps odors at bay. A perfect addition for staying organized. You'll wish you had this hamper every camping season. Tap the link in the description and keep your campsite tidy with this handy bag today. Number 34. Marchway Floating Waterproof Dry Bag. This durable dry bag keeps your valuables safe from water, dust, and dirt. Its floating design makes it perfect for boating, rafting, or any water-based adventures. A total game changer for water safety. You'll wish you had this dry bag on every trip. Visit the link in the description and protect your gear with this waterproof bag. Number 35. Trekology Ultralight Travel Pillow. This compact inflatable pillow provides comfort during long hikes or camping nights. Its lightweight design makes it easy to pack, ensuring restful sleep wherever you go. A must-have for outdoor comfort. You'll wish you bought this pillow sooner. Click the link in the description and enjoy better sleep on your adventures today. Number 36. Cascawise Upgrade Car Ceiling Cargo Net Pocket. This versatile cargo net attaches to your car ceiling, offering extra storage for gear, clothing, or supplies. It keeps your vehicle organized and clutter-free during road trips. A perfect space saver. You'll wish you had this net for every camping trip. Tap the link in the description and maximize your vehicle's storage capacity today. Number 37. Ankaka Loaded Tactical Pen. This rugged tactical pen features a glass breaker, screwdriver, and a sturdy writing tip, all in one durable tool. Ideal for emergencies or outdoor adventures. A total game changer for safety and practicality. You'll wish you had this pen on hand. Visit the link in the description and equip yourself with this multi-purpose tactical pen now. Number 38. Jisulife Handheld Mini Fan. Beat the heat with this portable, rechargeable mini fan. Its compact size makes it perfect for camping, hiking, or outdoor concerts, providing instant cooling comfort. A must-have for hot days. You'll wish you bought this fan earlier. Click the link in the description and stay cool on your outdoor adventures today. Number 39. Above Sea Level Cooler Net for dry storage. This breathable mesh net adds extra storage inside your cooler, allowing airflow and helping keep food fresh longer. It organizes your drinks and snacks efficiently, a total game changer for cooler organization. You'll wish you knew about this sooner. Tap the link in the description and optimize your cooler storage today. Number 40. Breen Hill Sleeping Bag Liner. This lightweight liner adds extra warmth and cleanliness to your sleeping bag. It's easy to wash and keeps your sleeping gear fresh for multiple trips. A perfect must-have for comfortable camping. You'll wish you had this liner on every trip. Visit the link in the description and enhance your sleeping experience now. Number 41. Grill Tapu Foldable Grilling Bag for Camping. This innovative grilling bag is designed to keep your charcoal or wood neatly contained and portable for outdoor cookouts. Its foldable design makes storage a breeze, and it's perfect for grilling anywhere, anytime. A must-have for BBQ lovers who want convenience and mess-free cooking. You'll wish you had this at every campfire. Tap the link in the description and elevate your camping cookouts with this handy grilling bag today. Number 42. CampTech Black Carabiner Clip. This versatile carabiner clip is perfect for attaching gear, keys, or accessories to your backpack or tent. Its sturdy metal construction ensures durability, and its sleek black finish adds style. A total game changer for organizing and quick access. You'll wish you bought this earlier. Visit the link in the description and streamline your gear with this essential clip now. Number 43. Gorilla Grip Lunchbox Bag. This insulated lunch bag keeps your food fresh and cool during outdoor adventures. Its durable design and easy-to-carry handle make it ideal for picnics, hikes, or camping trips. A perfect gift for outdoor eaters. You'll wish you had this bag for every picnic. Click the link in the description and enjoy fresh snacks wherever your adventure takes you. Number 44. Codblore Portable Travel Clothesline Cord. This lightweight, compact clothesline is perfect for drying wet gear or clothes at camp. Its strong, adjustable cord easily attaches between trees or poles, making laundry a breeze. A total game changer for outdoor freshness. You'll wish you knew about this sooner. Visit the link in the description and dry your gear effortlessly with this portable clothesline. Number 45. Sinotron Packable Camping Backpack. This ultra-light foldable backpack is your new best friend for day trips or hikes. It folds into a small pouch, then unfolds to give you ample space for essentials. A must-have for minimalist campers who want versatility. You'll wish you had this on every trip. Tap the link in the description and pack smarter with this packable backpack today. Number 46. QIMH Collapsible Cutting Board with Knife. This space-saving cutting board is perfect for prepping food outdoors. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store, and it comes with a handy knife for quick meal prep. A total game changer for outdoor cooking. You'll wish you bought this earlier. Click the link in the description and upgrade your camping kitchen with this collapsible board now. Number 47. Koi Deal Beach Towel Chair Clips. These clips attach your beach or camping towel securely to chairs, preventing slips and blows away in the wind. Their strong grip and simple design keep your towel in place all day. A perfect must-have for relaxing outdoors. You'll wish you had these clips on every trip. Visit the link in the description and keep your towel exactly where you want it with these handy clips. Number 48. StanSport Blanket Canteen. This unique combo combines a cozy blanket with a built-in water bottle holder, making it perfect for chilly outdoor evenings. Stay warm and hydrated with one handy item. A total game changer for outdoor warmth. You'll wish you bought this sooner. Tap the link in the description and stay cozy and refreshed on your camping nights today. Number 49. Amson Beach Umbrella Hanging Hook. This clever hook attaches to your beach umbrella or tent, providing a convenient spot to hang your bag, towel, or gear. Its strong grip and rust-proof design make it perfect for outdoor use. A must-have for organization. You'll wish you had this hook on every sunny day. Click the link in the description and keep your essentials off the ground with this handy hook now. Number 50. Widenin Microfiber Thin Camping Beach Towel. This ultra-absorbent, quick-drying microfiber towel is perfect for beach, pool, or camping. Its compact size fits easily in your bag, making it ideal for travel. A total game changer for convenience and comfort. You'll wish you had this towel sooner. Visit the link in the description and dry off in style with this lightweight towel today. Thinking of upgrading your camping gear? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you catch the full list and that amazing gadget at the end. These affordable finds are all about solving problems